Day one of feeding crows until they become my friends. My BFF is going with me today. Spotted a couple of crows. Look at them three. Heh heh. I think he's searching for the nuts. We chose to walk away and up here, since the crows didn't seem comfortable searching with us near. My goal is to make them comfortable enough with me that I can sit close, maybe even touch them. A problem I have is that I might move soon. I was filming the other crows when I realized one of them was eating one of the nuts. Right here. He's such a cutie. That's it for day one. See you guys.